This is a Zeiss Ikon cross-lock night latch thingy. A little higher quality than the other one I picked recently. Okay, now we're in a full set. There are spools. Here's a spool. And there's the spool over here. And there it is. I don't want to go all the way because I don't know if I'll just have to pick it back and forth. But anyway. I think there are a total of 6 pins in that guy, and at least 2 of them are spools, so a little better cross lock, but still not particularly challenging to pick. So there it is.